This morning, like every morning, life offers you a choice. Will you rise with purpose or drift with habit? Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "When you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love." It's easy to stay in bed, to delay, to wish the day away. But a Stoic doesn't seek comfort. A Stoic seeks control. Control over the only thing that truly belongs to us, our thoughts, our actions, our response to what happens next. You were not born to waste your potential. You were not created for comfort. You were made to face the day, to carry your duty with strength, and to become better than you were yesterday. Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for ease. Just get up. Begin. That's how greatness is built. In silence, in discipline, in the choice to keep going when no one is watching. So rise, not because it's easy, but because you can.